Do it again now.
Peekaboo.
Do it again, Alex. I didn't get you on camera.
Peekaboo.
It's like, where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
There's Molly.
Peekaboo.
There's Aunt Karma. Aunt Karma wave. And there's your grandma, the old lady cuckoo. Over there.
Cuckoo. She's not cuckoo.
No,
Carson.
in Namibia,
She's not
in
cuckoo.
Namibia, their grandmother's names are cuckoo. She can't pick one. I'm calling her cuckoo. That's funny, isn't it?
Mama calling grandma cuckoo.
It's grandma. Hey, Mom, listen. Mom, listen. Hey, Carson. Is your grandma cuckoo? Yeah. Is she cuckoo? Grandma's cuckoo. Hi, Niall.
Hey, Carson.
Carson.
Carson, is your mama doo-doo?
Say no, not funny.
He won't.
He's not looking at me.
Hey, Carson. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? You love your daddy? Yeah, I love your daddy. Is he in the other room? Where's Daddy? Can you breathe? Stop, Susan. It's like he's faking. I got him fake crying on here the other day. That was hilarious.
What was he doing?
He's going, ah! And he'd look around and see if I paid attention. Ah! And start
He's
to
laughing at you.
were you fake crying the other day? And I got you on camera. Yeah. I got you on camera. And you were just a little fake crying. You were going,
So fun. Little stimulation going on.
he laughs a lot for 4 months, doesn't he?
That's hilarious.
Carson.
He's looking at him.
Carson Walker, you're the one. Watch this. Stay right there. Watch. Carson. Carson.
Let Nile do it.
Carson. Do you love your daddy? Do you love your daddy? Yeah. Where's Daddy? There he is.
Who is that? There's that man.
You gotta see his camera over here where I got.
Get him, Nile.
Do it now.
Look, there's Daddy.
He's ready for you to now. Come on.
There's Daddy. Carson, you're gonna be 4 months tomorrow.
Oh, now he's mad.
He's laughed too much.
He slapped so much he's sad.
Mommy, when she's a little
He's
girl.
been laughing so hard in here. It's so funny.
Carson.
That's your mommy.
Boo.
There's Papa.
Boo. There's Molly.
What?
Oh.
I almost said your Aunt Molly. That didn't work.
No. Yeah, I don't know
Second
what
cousin.
I am.
Your second cousin.
Second cousin.
Yeah, Aunt Molly works
Because he's my second cousin, so he's your second cousin. And they're third cousins.
Peekaboo.
Oh,
Yeah, you're Chinese.
Yeah.
They said it's Jessica. Yeah.
that's too much for me
You're
to
my
think about.
third No, you're my second
Here, you
cousin.
want him?
Oh yeah, he'll take him.